So this is how my hair looks most days when I'm going to bed. It's a little wavy from the night before and has lots of volume. I use this surface oil. It's a hydrating oil on my ends. I like to put oil or some type of cream on every night so that my ends get hydrated and they don't dry out while I'm sleeping. Make sure that you also get all the hair underneath and not just the top layer of your hair so that it all gets coated. Next, I'm going to use Olaplex number 6. This is a lifesaver. You can use every day, twice a day, 3 times a day. It doesn't matter. I don't use a lot when I do use it, but I use it at night, every night, to help my ends not split and get more damaged throughout the night. I put it everywhere my hair is bleached as well, so that it will hopefully heal any of those bleached pieces. Okay, so I'm going to take just the top section of my hair that's above the eye tips, and I'm going to brush it out with a wet brush or something similar to a wet brush that has very loose bristles, because you don't want to rip out your hair ever. So I don't really ever use a comb on my hair unless my hair's already been brushed really well. I'm going to do a loose little twist, and it is not tight. I'm not spiraling the hair. And then I'm just clipping it with these little claw clips you can find anywhere, Dollar Tree, Amazon, Walmart, doesn't matter, Target. And both sides, and then that will just kind of make my hair not too tight. Doesn't give me a headache. Then I'm going to take both of the sides, and I'm going to do 2 braids on both sides, always brushing first. Don't brush on the scalp if you have eye tips, because, you're going to rip them out. So 3 strands, regular French braid, nothing special. This is just so that while I'm sleeping, I don't have like one eye tip that is accidentally ripped out or like gets stuck under my pillow or under my armpit, and then, that's your natural hair being ripped on as well. When it's in a braid, it's a little bit more supported by all of your other hair together. Okay, once you're done with the braid, you're just going to tie it off with a little elastic. Some people don't like these. They feel like they ruin their hair, but this portion of my hair is not actually my hair. It's my extensions, and I'm not putting it on super tight, and I've already protected it with oil. Now just do the other side. So you can leave it like this and just go to bed, or you can wrap it around that little bun on top if your hair is long enough, like I'm going to, and I just clip it in with those 2 clips so that it's secure and I don't have to worry about the braids like hitting my face or getting caught on anything either. Then you can choose your silk wrap that you like to use, silk or satin. I don't really like the bonnet or hat type. I use this one that's just like wrapping for what most girls call their edges, but I like it because it supports the braid and it doesn't put a lot of strain on my natural hair where the 2 clips are. It just kind of keeps the braids where they need to be. So then the next day I just take it off and I undo my braid. See how easy those elastics just slide right off? That's because I have the oil and the Olaplex on there. And then I have these beautiful, like wavy, textured, mermaid looking waves. And I still have the volume on top. I use this Surfer Girl Sexy Hair Textured Spray that I use almost every day. Or some type of hair powder. It doesn't really matter. Fluff it, make it look kind of big. I sometimes put it in an updo or another braid or half up, but this is what it looks like when it's all down. Let me know what you think in the comments and how you wear your hair to bed, whether you have extensions or not. And like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.